Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
If you're not familiar with Soundcore at all, when you get these earbuds or you get any product from Soundcore, speakers, earbuds, headphones, you definitely want to download this Soundcore app. Connect your earbuds to your mobile device. As you can see, I have the Liberty 4 Pros connected right here. You have your battery status for both left and right earbuds in your charging case. So click on that. As you can see, it's already connected. At the top right, you have your gear icon, which is your settings icon. You have Easy Chat, turn that off and on. Enable Easy Chat to lower the music volume from your device and make vocals clearer for short conversations. Got it. I do not have that on simply because if you are listening to a song that you really like and you start mimicking the lyrics, it will think that you are trying to talk to somebody and it will turn the volume down. So that's why I don't have that on. You have your adaptive sound leakage, compensation, safe volume, prompt tone, dual connection. So with that being said, you can connect these to more than one device at a single time. So you have these connected to your mobile device and also say like a tablet or a laptop, and it will switch over depending on what you're doing at that time. You have your fit tests, charging case settings. Underneath charging case settings, as you can see, it says your function menus. This is where you go to actually adjust what you see on this charging case. And for the sake of this video, like I said earlier, I do have everything on. So you have ambient sound, spatial audio, atmospheric, find device, and remote control. And if you click under each of these different menu options, you will see that it tells you exactly what is going to take place when you have this enabled on your AirPod case. You have your auto power off. It gives you different time limits, 10, 20, 30, 60, and never power off. Find device, widget. Let me go back to find device. So your find device right here, you have find device for your left and your right earbud and also for the case. So if I do play the sound for the case, this is what it sounds like. Now for the right one, this is what it sounds like. And it actually gets louder the longer that it is missing. So that's your find device. You also have a widget with these, your device name, update firmware. When it comes to the firmware on here, as soon as you get these, you'll have to update the firmware for the earbuds and for the charging case right here. Do that immediately so that you have the latest firmware on here, because things just might not work properly if you don't have the latest firmware. Let me make sure I have it. Yep, 3.17 at the time that I'm shooting this video is the latest firmware, serial number, charging case serial number, and that's pretty much it for the settings, people. Underneath that, you do have your battery status, as you can see, left, right, and charging case. Underneath that, you have your ambient sound icon. Also, you have your Hear ID test, spatial audio. So this is your equalizer icon. And then you also have your button status icon. So let me start from the left. Sound setting icon. You can adjust this from 1, which is transparent. Your middle is normal. And then all the way to the top is your ANC level. Turn this down for the sake of this video so I'm not yelling. You also have your airplane mode. You click on that, you have automatic update and manual update. And with automatic update, what that means, it will just automatically update every single time. Now, if you click on manual update, you have to go in and optimize it every single time for it to update to the air pressure. You also have wind noise reduction. Turning on this function can reduce or avoid noise interference caused by wind. Next tab over is everything to do with adjusting these earbuds to get the perfect sound for you. So at the top, you do have your Ear ID sound test that just customizes, try to get the best sound for you with a series of beeps. I'm not going to run through that right now. You have spatial audio underneath that. It has fixed and head tracking. You have your preference test. Under default, you do have some preset sounds, Soundcore signature, bass booster, classical, acoustic, bass reducer, and then if you hit more, you have a bunch of other ones right here. And then custom EQ is self-explanatory. You click on custom EQ and you can go through and adjust the highs, mids, and lows exactly how you want it. And then the last tab is your button functions for your left and your right earbud. As you can see, you have a single press, double press, triple press, and long press. On the single press, here are your options: play, pause, next, previous, and also none. Double press, you have play, pause, next, previous, and voice assistant, ambient sound, and none. So that is different when it comes to double press. You also have triple press, same thing as double press. And then you also have your long press right here. Play, pause, next, previous, voice assistant, and ambient sound. You have 3 different options on the ambient sound: noise cancellation, normal, and transparency mode, or you can leave it at none. And then your non-adjustables right here when it comes to adjusting the volume up and down, long press to hang up and reject phone calls, single press to answer phone calls. And you also can lock your controls right here. And locking your controls, it says only the wearer state can perform earbuds tapping operation when this feature is enabled to avoid accidental tapping. Pretty much what that means is that you turn that on, the earbuds have to be out of your ears to lock these controls. And that's pretty much it, people. That is a rundown of what this app can do. That's all I got for you. As always, if this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video, please feel free to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.